When I used to see a cake, I used to think that, this is not possible, very difficult, very technical, but it has been explained so well to me that now I think that, I can do it very easily with some practice. Hi, I'm Sidra Moied. I just attended the Sugarcraft program from ICCA with Chef Nazarine, and I really, really enjoyed the whole program. It was really good. I'm also enrolled to the diploma classes for pastry, but this particular program helps you to, enhance your work, present it in a much better way. And I learned so many different techniques, which before, when I used to see a cake, I used to think that, this is not possible, very difficult, very technical. I would really like to thank ICCA for teaching me whatever I've learned. I really, really enjoy coming to this place, and this has a positive energy. There's a certain positive energy here, so I really look forward to coming here every day.